Meet the Yard Care E400 robotic lawnmower, your new hands-free way to a perfect lawn. With smart app control, a quiet brushless motor, and automatic charging, the E400 takes the work out of yard work. Using the E400 is simple. Just open the app to set your mowing schedule, start or stop the mower, and monitor progress from anywhere. Its efficient brushless motor runs quietly, under 60 decibels, and needs less maintenance for a longer lifespan. Rain on the way? No problem. The E400 detects rain, pauses mowing, and returns to its charging station automatically. With IPX5 waterproofing, it's built to handle the elements and keep running reliably. Choose from multiple cutting heights, from 0.8 inches to 2.4 inches, and let the triple blade system deliver a smooth, even cut. You can set the height to a minimum, all the way to the maximum. E400 also features obstacle detection, lift and tilt sensors for safety, and can climb slopes up to 25 degrees, perfect for most lawns. Place the charger about 8 inches, 20 centimeters from the lawn's edge, with about 6 feet or 2 meters of clear space in front. Stretch the boundary wire taut and secure stakes about 3/4 of an inch, 2 centimeters into the ground to prevent snags or breaks. With app scheduling, automatic charging, and precise cutting, the Yard Care E400 gives you a beautiful lawn with zero effort. Set it, forget it, and enjoy more free time. Before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at the E400's components so you know exactly what you're getting. Underneath, you'll find a triple blade cutting system designed for a smooth, even cut. Each blade is replaceable and spins independently for a more precise cut. Safety sensors stop the blades immediately if the mower is lifted or tilted. The front bumper houses the obstacle detection sensors. When the E400 encounters a rock, a toy, or your garden decor, it gently pivots away to protect both itself and your yard. Large rugged drive wheels give the E400 excellent traction. They're built to climb slopes up to 25 degrees and roll quietly without tearing up the grass. Inside of the app, you can check battery status, adjust your mowing schedule, change cutting height from 0.8 inches to 2.4 inches, and even locate your mower if you can't see it in the yard. So not only does the Yard Care E400 take care of mowing for you, its thoughtful design and smart features make it easy to own, easy to maintain, and safe around your family and pets.